Day trading is literally controlling your emotions, okay? Enough is enough. It's time to get your power back. Stop letting day trading control your emotions, okay? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, okay? So first of all, this is how day trading controls your emotion. Let me paint a scenario for you. Whenever you are in a trade, okay? You are in a trade and it is going your way. Notice, how do you feel? You tend to feel happy, right? You tend to feel so happy, like, wow, everything is so beautiful. Life is beautiful. You feel motivated to get stuff done. That's one way day trading is controlling your emotion. Whenever you are in a profitable trade, you are in a good mood. However, as soon as the trade start going against you, as soon as you enter a trade where the market starts going against you and you are in huge loss, notice how your mood suddenly change. How does your mood change? You suddenly start feeling down. You start feeling so depressed. You feel like there's no hope for you, nothing. This is how day trading is controlling your emotions. It is literally controlling your emotions by how it moves. If the price is moving in your favor, you will be happy. If the price is going against you, you will be sad. Okay? And this is not good. This is not good. When day trading is able to control your emotion like that, this is how you tend to fall into a lot of trap. Okay? You'll fall into a lot of trap because they finally got you. The market makers, they know this. They know that whenever you are in your emotions like this, when you're trading with your emotions like this, they know that they can trap you, because this is how it works. Trading is an emotional game. It's not even a technical analysis. Like, you can learn technical analysis and all that, become very good at it, but at the end of the day, the thing that really make a lot of traders to lose when trading is their emotions. Okay, so what you need to do is to master your emotions. You need to learn how to master your emotions. Do not let it control you. Do not let your emotions control your trades. Do not let the market control how you feel and how your day goes and all that. No, I'm telling you, okay? In the past, I fell into that trap a lot. I was trading with my emotions, if the market is going my way, I would be suddenly so happy. If the market starts going against me, I'll start to like just feel down all the time, and it was not good. Once I became aware of that, I was like, what the hell is happening? Why is the market controlling my emotions like that? And I realized that I was the one that was giving it the power. I was giving the market the power to do that to me. So what I started doing is, like, I stopped looking at the chart. I noticed that whenever I would stare at the chart, okay, say all day, literally my emotion is just fluctuating. If I see the price suddenly pump, I'll go ahead and be like, oh my goodness, I think it's going to keep pumping. So I go ahead and enter a trade. I buy long, and then it starts going against me. I feel bad, and then I quickly exit my trade. Okay, so looking at the chart every single time was a really horrible thing that I was doing, and that was one way that the market was controlling my emotions. Okay, so I stopped doing that. I don't look at the chart all day anymore. Okay, I have 2 times that I'll look at the market. In the morning, I'll try to come up with a setup to see where I can either go long or short, and then after I've been able to analyze the market, then I set up my alert, waiting for the price to get to my entry point, and then I just close the chart. I don't look at it anymore, and then I'll come again. If I get an alert that the market has come to my entry point, then I'll go ahead and open the chart again, look at it to confirm that, and then I'll go ahead and place my trade. Okay, that's it in the morning, and then I'll come again in the evening. Okay, I'll come again in the evening to check the market to see what is happening, and that is it. So I check the market only morning and evening. That's it. And this is something that you need to do if you want to not let it control your emotions anymore. Okay, the other thing that you're probably doing, I was doing it in the past, which was literally controlling my emotions, is basically not setting a stop loss and a take profit. You know, when you are trading, okay, before you place any trade, you need to know exactly where you're going to get out if the market is going against you, and you need to know exactly where you're going to take your profit if the market is going your way. Okay, so doing this will free you of wanting to check the market all the time to see whether the price is going against you or not, you know. So definitely set your stop loss, okay, and set your take profit. It's really gonna help you, okay. It's gonna help you and not let the market control your emotions and all that. So yeah, these are some of the things that I have been doing that has helped me to take my power back. Okay, I finally took my power back. The market no longer controls my emotions. You know, when I'm placing a trade, I am placing that trade based on the analysis that I do. I'm following my strategy and everything. I'm not letting my, you know, feelings of fear or greed get to me anymore. And I promise you guys, if you start doing these things, these two things that I just shared in this video, it's gonna help you. Okay, it's gonna help you to also take your power back. Okay, because remember, trading is an emotional game. What you need to do as someone who's just getting started in trading is to really focus on mastering your emotions. Okay, master your emotions. Become aware of the time when you are trading with your emotions, and then work on not doing that anymore. Okay, and once you start doing that, I'm telling you, you got it all. You master technical analysis, you master your emotions, combine the two together, you are going to become a very successful and profitable trader.